Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to search product by categories in Shein application on an Android device. Well, by browsing products within relevant categories, you can compare different options more effectively and make informed purchasing decision. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open Shein application. Well, the easy way to browse the items, you have to try browse them by categories. Okay, tap this option, and then here will appear all of the categories of the products you are looking for. Okay, just tap on the products categories you want to buy. After that, it will load the specific section for you, and you can select the product based on your need. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to search product by categories in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.